I am Nicolás Giraudo, Chief Commercial Officer of Alva Industries. We are here today in the headquarters of Alva in Norway. As you know, we are the creators and owners of the fiber printing technology, the technology we use to do our frameless motors. And we're going to talk today about the applications for which these motors are very popular. A very popular industry for frameless motors and rotary motors is the semiconductor equipment industry. And the semiconductor equipment industry is huge, and there are a lot of applications, right? We can focus today in two main applications, which are the wafer inspection stages and wafer handling robots. Those very popular applications for semiconductor equipment designers are always interested on motors that are precise, light, compact, and Cogging-Free, right? And those are important things in the semiconductor industry. If we talk specifically about wafer inspection stages, those are not only rotary, but also linear, and they typically are compounded by an X, Y, or Z stage, and then a rotary stage will be on top for the inspection of a wafer. In those stages, the important aspects are precision and weight, because the rotary stage is on top of other stages, so it makes sense to reduce the load capacity of the linear stages. And typically, designers would choose not having that much into account the cogging torque of the slotted design, even though it is a compromise they have to make because they will require, or they will prefer, higher precision. At Alva Industries, we design slotless motors that have a comparable performance in terms of torque than slotted designs, but having a much lighter and cogging-free motor. Another application that is very popular in the semiconductor equipment industry is wafer handling robots. Wafer handling robots can be done with geared actuators or with direct drives. In the recent years, direct drives have become very popular because of the high precision that you can obtain by not having a gear, because of the absence of the typical backlash that you have from a gearbox. Now, when you choose a motor for a wafer handling robot, it's a natural choice to go with a slotted design, even if the slotted design doesn't have the highest precision, because there is a cogging involved. It's also a high performance motor compared to slotless designs, and therefore it's better for an application like a wafer handling robot where you actually need a high performance or a high torque. That was true until Alva came to the market, because we do, with Alva fiber printing, we do frameless motors that are slotless, which means we are cogging free, we have no cogging on our motors, and we also have a performance that is comparable to slotted designs. So the design of a wafer inspection stage or a wafer handling robot can be done with the performance of a slotted motor, but the precision of a slotless motor, thanks to Alva. So if you're designing any of those kinds of equipment, please go to alvaindustries.com or reach out to us, and we are definitely going to be able to help you with our technology.